Is your ZZ plant looking stuck, crowded, or just not growing anymore? You might be watering correctly, giving it bright, indirect light, and even cleaning the leaves, but the real problem could be hiding underground. Most plant owners don't realize that ZZ plants can become root-bound for months before showing obvious signs. When that happens, growth slows down, leaves lose their shine, and the plant stops producing fresh stems. The good news? A simple repot at the right time can completely transform your ZZ plant. With fresh soil and extra space for those thick underground rhizomes, your plant can bounce back with healthier roots, stronger stems, and vibrant green leaves. But timing is everything. Repot too early and you may stress the plant. Repot too late and the roots may become damaged or overcrowded. In this video, you'll discover the biggest signs your ZZ plant needs repotting, the best season to do it, and simple repotting tips that help boost faster growth indoors. If you want your ZZ plant to thrive and look fuller than ever, keep watching because these signs could save your plant before it struggles even more. Number 1. Roots growing out of the drainage holes. One of the clearest signs your ZZ plant needs repotting is when roots begin growing through the drainage holes at the bottom of the pot. ZZ plants grow from thick underground rhizomes that slowly expand over time. As these roots continue growing, they eventually run out of room inside the container. Once that happens, the roots start searching for more space anywhere they can find it. When roots poke out from the bottom, it usually means the plant has become root-bound. A root-bound plant struggles to absorb water and nutrients properly because the roots are tightly packed together. This can slow down growth and weaken the overall health of the plant. Some ZZ plants may even stop producing new stems completely because the root system has nowhere left to expand. If you gently remove the plant from its pot and see thick roots circling around the inside, it's definitely time for a larger container. Choose a new pot only 1 or 2 inches bigger than the old one. Going too large can cause excess moisture to stay trapped in the soil, increasing the risk of root rot. Repotting with fresh, well-draining soil gives the roots more oxygen, better moisture balance, and fresh nutrients. After repotting, your ZZ plant can finally focus its energy on producing stronger stems and lush green growth again. Number 2. Soil dries out. Extremely fast, ZZ plants are known for being drought-tolerant and usually don't need frequent watering. That's why it's a major warning sign if your plant's soil suddenly dries out much faster than normal. If you water your ZZ plant and the soil becomes dry again within only a day or two, crowded roots may be taking over the pot. When roots fill nearly all available space, there's very little soil left to hold moisture. Instead of the soil storing water evenly, the roots quickly absorb everything or force water to run straight through the container. This makes it difficult for your plant to stay hydrated properly. You may notice leaves becoming wrinkled, curling slightly, or losing their glossy appearance. Many plant owners mistakenly think the solution is watering more often, but overwatering can create additional stress. The real solution is usually repotting into fresh soil with better airflow and moisture retention. A quality indoor plant mix containing perlite or coarse sand works very well for ZZ plants because it prevents soggy roots while still holding enough moisture. Once repotted, your ZZ plant will regain a healthier watering balance. The roots will have room to spread, and the fresh soil will help maintain proper hydration longer. This often leads to stronger growth and healthier-looking leaves within the next growing season. Number 3. The pot looks too small for the plant. Sometimes your ZZ plant visually tells you it has outgrown its home. If the stems are spreading far beyond the edges of the container, leaning awkwardly or causing the pot to tip over easily, it's probably time for repotting. ZZ plants may grow slowly, but mature plants can become surprisingly heavy and wide over time. When the container becomes too small, the plant struggles to support itself properly. The rhizomes underneath the soil become packed tightly together, leaving little room for future growth. In some cases, the stems may even appear crowded or compressed because the root system can no longer expand naturally. A small pot can also affect the plant's stability. Tall stems combined with heavy rhizomes may make lightweight plastic pots unstable. If your ZZ plant frequently leans or falls over, upgrading to a slightly larger and heavier pot can solve the problem while improving overall appearance. When choosing a new container, always select one with drainage holes. Terracotta pots are especially helpful because they allow excess moisture to evaporate more easily. After repotting, your plant will look more balanced, have more room to grow, and often produce healthier upright stems. Repotting also refreshes the soil, which helps support stronger root development and future growth. Number 4. Growth has completely stopped. ZZ plants naturally grow slower than many houseplants, but healthy plants should still produce occasional new shoots during spring and summer. If your plant hasn't shown any new growth for a very long time, the root system may be overcrowded inside the pot. When roots become tightly packed, the plant enters survival mode. Instead of using energy to produce new stems and leaves, it focuses only on maintaining existing growth. You might notice older leaves staying healthy while no fresh stems appear for months. In severe cases, the plant may even begin looking dull or lifeless, despite proper watering and lighting conditions. Repotting helps reset the growing environment by providing fresh nutrients, improved airflow, and additional space for expanding roots. This encourages the rhizomes to become active again during the growing season. Spring and early summer are ideal times for repotting because the plant can recover faster while actively growing. After repotting, avoid overwatering immediately. Allow the plant a short adjustment period before returning to a normal watering routine. With proper care, many ZZ plants begin producing new shoots within several weeks or months after repotting. Those fresh green stems are often a sign the roots finally have enough space to grow comfortably again. Number 5. Soil looks old, hard, or compacted. Healthy soil is one of the most important parts of keeping a ZZ plant thriving indoors. Over time, potting soil naturally breaks down and becomes compacted. When this happens, airflow around the roots decreases, and water may either drain too quickly or stay trapped for too long. Neither condition is healthy for ZZ plants. If the surface of the soil looks hard, crusty, or dense, your plant may benefit from repotting. Compacted soil makes it difficult for oxygen to reach the roots, which can slow down growth and weaken the plant over time. You may also notice water pooling on top of the soil instead of soaking in evenly. Old soil also loses nutrients after years of watering. Even if you occasionally fertilize, exhausted soil can no longer support strong root development effectively. Fresh potting mix provides a healthier environment with better drainage and renewed nutrients. When repotting, use a loose indoor plant mix designed for good airflow. Adding perlite, pumice, or coarse sand helps prevent excess moisture from sitting around the roots. ZZ plants prefer slightly dry conditions, so drainage is extremely important. Fresh soil can dramatically improve root health and often leads to shinier leaves, stronger stems, and healthier overall growth within the next few months. Number 6. Rhizomes are bulging against the pot. One unique feature of ZZ plants is their thick underground rhizomes that store water for long periods. These potato-like structures help the plant survive drought, but they continue growing larger as the plant matures. Eventually, the rhizomes may press strongly against the sides of the pot. In plastic containers, you may notice the sides bulging outward slightly. In ceramic or clay pots, severe pressure from expanding rhizomes can even create cracks. This is a major sign your ZZ plant urgently needs more space. Leaving the plant crowded too long may damage both the roots and the container itself. When repotting, carefully remove the plant without pulling aggressively on the stems. If the roots are tightly packed, gently loosen them with your fingers before placing the plant into fresh soil. Choose a container only slightly larger than the previous one, so the soil does not stay overly wet after watering. Repotting at this stage gives the rhizomes enough room to continue expanding safely. Healthy rhizomes store energy and moisture, helping the plant grow stronger and more resilient over time. Once repotted properly, your ZZ plant will often recover quickly and produce healthier, fuller growth during the active growing season. Number 7. Best time of year to repot. A ZZ plant timing plays a huge role in successful repotting. The best time to repot a ZZ plant is during spring or early summer when the plant is naturally entering its active growing phase. During this period, the roots recover faster and adapt more easily to fresh soil and a new container. Repotting during winter is usually not recommended because ZZ plants slow down their growth significantly during colder months. Disturbing the roots while the plant is dormant can cause unnecessary stress and delay recovery. If possible, wait until temperatures are warmer and daylight hours increase before repotting. Most ZZ plants only need repotting every 2 to 3 years. They actually prefer being slightly snug in their containers, so don't rush to repot unless you notice clear warning signs like root crowding, compacted soil, or bulging rhizomes. Repotting too often can interrupt growth instead of helping it. After repotting, place the plant back in bright, indirect light and avoid fertilizing immediately. Give the roots time to settle into their new environment. With proper timing and care, your ZZ plant will recover smoothly and reward you with stronger stems, healthier roots, and beautiful glossy foliage throughout the growing season. Repotting your ZZ plant at the right time can completely change the way it grows. From roots escaping the drainage holes to compacted soil and bulging rhizomes, your plant gives clear warning signs when it needs more space. Ignoring those signs can slow growth and weaken the plant over time. But a simple repot with fresh soil can help restore healthy roots and encourage vibrant new growth. Remember, ZZ plants prefer a slightly snug pot, so only repot when necessary, and always choose a container just a little larger than the current one. Spring and early summer are the best seasons for success, giving the plant enough energy to recover quickly and continue growing strong indoors. If you found these ZZ plant care tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more indoor gardening guides, houseplant hacks, and easy plant care tips. Your dream indoor jungle starts with healthy roots. And now you know exactly when your ZZ plant is ready for a fresh new home.